Cook up love with spice, turn wrong into right. From a town of joy to the city's glow, wherever I go, my love will show. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams. In the morning light, I gather the news. Whisper tales that shake off the blues. With apron tight and a heart so pure, every dish a blessing, that's for sure. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams.
Hello, hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is hi, I'm Macy. Please consider subscribing. For the returning subscribers, thanks so much for always coming to support my channel. And guys, please don't forget to ring that notification bell. Hey, it's been long, I've been doing ASMR videos, and today we are back to doing my talking videos. Hey, I missed this. Welcome back. And today we are preparing mango jam, homemade mango jam. So for the mango jam, here are the ingredients. So we have sugar, we have lemon, and we have the mangoes here. This is for our mango jam. For mango jam, I'm not sugary, so this sugar I don't like very sugary food, so it depends. We'll see according to the size of the mango that you get here will determine the amount of sugar that will be added. So we wash our mangoes. After washing, now it's time to peel our mangoes. For me, I'm using 3 mangoes. You can use the size that you want depending on the quantity of the jam that you want. So because we are 2, so I'm using 3 mangoes. That one will take us a long way. Then after peeling, make sure that you slice your mangoes into small pieces. You can cut them into small pieces so that they can be easy to blend, because you're gonna blend. So if you don't have a blender, you can boil. Without blending, you can cut into small pieces and boil. You'll see the oil will be boiling when it's blended. Now you'll boil yours into small pieces, then you let it boil and boil for a longer time. So when you blend, it doesn't take much time. But without blending, it will take much time, so it will depend. If you don't have a blender, don't worry. Mostly you can use apple mango. Apple mango is the best when it comes to slicing like this. The other one is like has strings, but this one is the best. And sliced mangoes, you want to blend it a bit. And you don't add water when blending.
Market Square, I'll wave hello. Macy's here with stories you should know. Kitchen magic, spices in the air. From town to town, I spread the love and care.
So I'm done with the blending, and this is our result. Put it aside. Get a heavy cooking pot. We need a heavy one, not a light one, because we're gonna cook at a low heat. So it to cook slowly. So you light the fire and place your cooking pot. You want nothing apart from the blended mango. Then reduce the heat. After that you mix, you'll add the sugar. Remember, the sugar you add according to the way you want the taste. For me, I don't like much sugar. So if it is not that you are too, I would not abandon any sugar. But my nephew loves sugar, so that's why I want 1 liter. But the mango is still sweet, so I didn't want, if it was for me, I would not want. Then after you mix, you cover it to boil for 10 minutes and low heat. So let's cover it, then we'll be back to check after 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes are over. Let's check our jam. So after here, you want lemon. You squeeze lemon. The lemon is for preserving it, preservative. It can stay out of fridge for some time. So but here I have to put mine in the fridge because here it's very, very hot. Okay, I'm not but even I would like it cold because here it's very hot. So yeah, maybe I will put, or I'll put it in the fridge after some days. Not immediately anyway, not immediately. So yes, after that, you leave it to cool. Just to cool so that now you can pack it. You can put it in a container. And our jam is ready. It has cooled. That's what it looks like. Now we have to put it in the container so that now we can have our jam ready for use. Yes, it's ready for use. It has cooled down. You can use it now. Look how thick it is. It's not very light. And it is not that smooth. When I was blending, I made sure I didn't blend the mangoes to be very smooth. I wouldn't like it very smooth. So when you're blending, you just blend according to the way you want it to be. And so yeah, we have our jam. 3 mangoes has produced all this jam. Imagine just 3 mangoes. Yeah, so you see, you can prepare from here. You know how many mangoes you need for your jam. If you have a big family, if you're alone, yeah. So that's the result of our jam. Can't wait to taste it. Yeah. And we are not leaving any behind in the pot. We have to make sure everything is out of the pot. And now it is the awaiting time to taste our jam. Here, I guess. You see how it is. Wow. Wow. In fact, it came out perfect. The way I didn't expect. Tasty, yummy. Wow. To be honest, it is yummy, so good. Can you imagine I had 4 slices of bread without anything? Hey, me, I'm not a bread person, but with this one, I did 4 slices. These 2, and I added more too. Without tea, without anything. It is perfect. Try it and bring the results, guys. See, the jam can make you have more and more bread. Thank you guys for watching. If you've watched and not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below what you think about today's video. And see you in my next one. Bye bye.